lang. Hello guys, hello mga friends. Samahan niyo ako mag-ikot dito sa temple. Una kong inikot is ang Wanpo Temple. Dito tayo. Ikot tayo guys. This is Wanpo Temple. It's very nice, amazing. And then we go to Grand Palace. And then we went to the Sleeping Buddha. I'm roaming around in the temple. It's very memorable experience guys. Super amazing, very clean, and I enjoy. At ito yung sumakay kami ng tuk-tuk. Pumunta kami sa kabilang temples kasi hindi pwedeng lalakarin, kaya we need to ride the tuk-tuk. Bangkok is very nice place. There's a lot of tourist spot you can choice. This is one of the best. The temples, the Grand Palace. Abangan nyo guys yung iba ko pang videos dun sa ibang Buddha na napuntahan ko. Ito yung sa Wanpo, sa Sleeping Buddha, at saka Grand Palace. Yung iba guys is ginagawan ko, ini-edit ko pa siya. So, voice over lang tayo guys kasi sa init ng panahon hindi ka talaga makapagsalita ng matino. Nagbe-video ka at saka sabay salita kasi maingay din ang paligid at saka may mga ibang tourist din. Ito yung sa pinaka-entrance guys ng Grand Palace. Ang ganda nyo guys, super. Very, very, very nice. So amazing. Please watch and subscribe my coming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon, have a good day world.